Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to take a look at a mini bike pump by Pro Bike Tool. So I wanted something that I can just stash it in my saddlebag, and this one was the one that I picked. So this one is very lightweight. It's made with aluminum alloy. It can pump up to 100 psi. Flexible hose will fit inside the handle, and it's compatible with both Presta and Schrader valves, and it does include the mounting bracket. So let's go ahead, open this and see what's inside. So this is it. Feels nice and solid. You unscrew the hose, then you turn it around, remove the cap. Is Presta on this side, and there you have it. It's nice and flexible. So we're gonna go ahead and use this on a tire and see how fast it pumps the air. And right now it's fully inflated, so I'm going to deflate it a bit. So it's fully deflated. So one little tip, you want to take the hose itself and first screw it onto the Presta valve without the pump. So you take that and you just go as deep as possible, and then you start screwing it because it's easier this way. Now it's nice and snug. You can just tighten it, screw it easily here, there. And there you go, it's all done. So let's put the pump in the saddlebag. There you go. I prefer putting in the saddlebag because I like all my tools in the saddlebag rather than mounting it on the bottle cage. This way it's nice and clean look.